This video is going to cover simplifying variable expressions. What we want to do is take, 2 or 3 different terms and combine them if they have like terms, if they have like variables or the same variable. So let's start with number 1. We have negative 3p plus 6p. So what we're doing on this is what we call combining like terms. Because they both have a p, they're called like terms. So we're able to add the negative 3 and the 6. Think of the p as an object. We'll call it an apple. So let's just say you have negative 3 apples and then plus 6 apples. You end up getting 3 apples, or number 1, 3p. Okay, number 2. So now we got to separate, and notice that we have, a b, a number, and another negative 2b. So we're, again, combining like terms. So we take a look at this b and this negative 2b and add those together. So think of this b as having a 1. So we have 1b minus 2b. We end up getting a negative b. And then we could take a look at the numbers. Negative 3 plus 6, we get a positive 3. So we end up with negative b plus 3 for number 2. Okay, number 3. 7x minus x. We end up getting 6x. Number 4. 7p minus 10p. So again, they have the same variables, so we can combine them. 7 minus 10 gives us negative 3, and then don't forget the variable p. Number 5. Negative 10v plus 6v. Just add the numbers. Negative 10 plus 6, we get a negative 4v for our common factor, common variable. Number 6. Negative 9r plus 10r gives us a positive 1r, which is the same as just writing r. Number 7. 9 plus 5r minus 9r. So because this 9 is the only other term in this expression without a variable, we can just leave it. So we're going to go ahead and write 9, and then we do the negative 5r minus, the positive 5r minus 9r gives us minus 4r. Number 8. 1 minus 3v plus 10. Similar to number 7, where we had just the 9 by itself. In this case, we just have that negative 3v by itself. And we have to, add those numbers 1 and 10. So 1 plus 10, we get 11. And then we just go ahead and write that minus 3v because it's all by itself. Number 9. 5n plus 9n. Just add those straight. 14n for number 9. Number 10. 4b plus 6 minus 4. So again, we write that 4b because it's the only one of its kind in the expression. Positive 6 minus 4, we get a plus 2. Number 11. 35n minus 1 plus 46. So again, 35n is the only one of its kind, so we leave that. Minus 1 plus 46, we get plus 45. Number 12. Negative 33v minus 49v. So all we're going to be doing for this one is just adding them straight across because there's no other variables and there's no different terms. So we just add those. Negative 33 minus 49 gives us negative 82v. Number 13. 30n plus 8n. So what we're going to do is just add those. We end up getting 38n. Number 14. 7x plus 31x. So all we're doing is just adding these. So 7 plus 31, we end up getting 38x. 15. 10x plus 36 minus 38x minus 47. So let's just take a look at the like terms. 10x minus 38x. We end up getting negative 28x for that. Take a look at the 36 and then minus 47. 36 minus 47 gives us negative 11. And that's number 15. Number 16, we have negative 2, parentheses, 7 minus n plus 4. So what we're going to do on this is distribute this negative 2 to each of these. So we get negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. Let me actually go ahead and write it right here. We get negative 14 plus 2n plus 4. So go ahead and combine like terms. Negative 14 plus 4, we get negative 10 plus that 2n because there's no other like it. Number 17. Negative 8 parentheses negative 5b plus 7 plus 5b. Again, let's distribute. Negative 8 times negative 5b gives us positive 40b. Negative 8 times positive 7 gives us negative 56. And then plus 5b. So let's go ahead and combine like terms. We have 40b plus 5b. We end up getting 45b minus 56. Okay, number 18. Negative 4p minus 1 minus 6p. So again, let's distribute that negative. So we keep that minus 4p. Negative times 1 is negative 1. A negative times negative 6p is positive 6p. Combine like terms. Negative 4p plus 6p is 2p. And then we put that minus 1. Number 19. 4 minus 5 parentheses negative 4n plus 3. So let's go ahead and rewrite this as 4. Distribute that negative 5 times negative 4 gives us positive 20n. Negative 5 times positive 3 is minus 15. Combine like terms, we get negative 11 plus 20n. Okay, number 20. Negative 7 parentheses k minus 8 plus 2k. So let's go ahead and distribute that negative 7. We end up getting negative 7k plus 56 plus 2k. Negative 7k plus 2k is negative 5k, and then plus 56. Okay, number 21. 1 plus 7 parentheses 1 minus 3b. So let's go ahead and write 1 plus and distribute that 7. We get a 7. Positive 7 times negative 3b is negative 21b. Simplify that. 1 plus 7 gives us 8 minus 21b. Okay, 22, last one. Go ahead and distribute that negative 8. Negative 8 times positive 7 is negative 56. Negative 8 times negative 5n is plus 40n. Go ahead and combine like terms. 3 minus 56 gives us negative 53 plus 40n. And that's our final answer. And this video is simplifying variable expressions.